extensive design skills. Simply drag and drop elements to create eye-catching flyers, social media posts, or infographics in minutes. Impressing clients has never been easier. And don't forget about Grammarly. Whether you're drafting blog posts, writing social media captions, or responding to client inquiries, this tool will ensure your writing is impeccable. With Grammarly by your side, you'll present your ideas clearly and professionally, building credibility with clients. Step 4. Use AI to your advantage. In today's digital landscape, AI text-generating tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can take your productivity to the next level. Need to brainstorm ideas or draft compelling content? These AI tools have got your back, allowing you to streamline your workflow and focus on securing that paycheck. Step 5. Embrace your journey. Reaching the milestone of making $1,000 in a week may seem daunting, but it's entirely feasible when you leverage the right tools and platforms while putting in the necessary effort. Let your aspirations guide you. Fulfillment is just around the corner. With the right mindset, you are more than capable of changing the trajectory of your life, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a dream vacation, or simply enjoying a little more financial freedom. Conclusion: your future awaits. If this guide resonates with you, don't let fear hold you back. The online world is ripe with opportunities just waiting for someone like you to seize them. Remember to like this video, share your thoughts and questions in the comments, and of course hit that subscribe button for more invaluable tips on boosting your online income. Together, we can unlock the doors to success. Your journey to financial empowerment starts now. Let's embark on this adventure together and make those dreams a reality. See you on the other side.